Isn't that beautiful? And it is big, guys.
Penny Pincher, Glamorous.
Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomie, and today I'm going to take you with me into Hobby Lobby. I'm going in there on different business, but of course I got to go visit the Christmas aisle. Besides, this week their Christmas items are down 50% off. Last week they were 40% off. This week they're marked down to 50% off. And then I'm going to Goodwill, so I will show you what I get in both Hobby Lobby and Goodwill. I will come back and do a haul for you just to show you the items that I picked up. All right, so if this is something that you're interested in, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. Take a look how beautiful these are. These are like the velvet ball picks, guys. They're $10.99, and now Hobby Lobby is down to 50% off of their Christmas items. So these are the only colors I've seen so far. If I see other colors, I'll be sure to let you know. But they also have the velvet ornaments, the mix pack. These are back again, beautiful. They have them also in the reindeer. Super cute. There goes some others, and they have it in the green. Take a look at these beautiful velvet pine cones. These are so pretty. They have them like this also. These are $12.99. So guys, I left Hobby Lobby and ran into the Goodwill close to there to find me storage containers for all my stuff that I got. And look what I found. Take a look at these. These are like ribbons from at home, honey. They are $3.99 for this big one, and the smaller ones are $2.99. You best believe I'm taking them. Check out this one. Look how gorgeous this one is. I've been actually looking for something like this. I wish they had more, but these are so beautiful. I am definitely getting these. I'm even getting this one. How pretty are they? It is my ribbon season, honey. Yes. Okay, guys, so I took all the ribbon, and as I was cashing them out, the assistant manager at Goodwill, she recognizes me. She said, "Oh my God, I follow everything you do. I love your channel." She says, "I believe I have more ribbons back there, so let me go back there and see if I can find them." So I'm actually waiting to see if she brings them out, and if they're nice, I'm taking them too. She went back and found all of these, so I'm taking them. There's a black one here that's really pretty. That's like a black velvet that I absolutely love that she got. It's this one here. Look how gorgeous that is. All right, did y'all see that? All the amazing ribbons and all the beautiful stuff. All right, let's get into it. So I did pick up some things from Hobby Lobby, and you saw the ribbons from Goodwill. So I'll start, just show you quickly the items I got from Hobby Lobby. Now guys, you know that I just did the Christmas warehouse, and I really don't need any type of ornaments. But these jewel ones, I've never had them before, and I've always missed out because I'm always too late. So this year I decided I was gonna go ahead and pick some up from Hobby Lobby. So I got this one. Isn't that beautiful? And it is big, guys. This is one that it was $10.99, and then there's 50% off. So I got it in this shape, and then I also got it in this shape as well. They are so gorgeous. Like I said, I've always missed out on these. I've never had the opportunity to have them in my tree because every time I get to where they are, they're always gone. So I got those in red. I got 2 of each. So I got 2 of this one and I got 2 of this one. So there you have those. And then I also picked it up in the gold. So beautiful. I absolutely love these. And I picked up the same shapes for both. So I got that one and I got this one also in the gold. And it has 2 sides, guys. Like this side is more of like a clear transparent side, and then the other side is kind of like solid, right? And these were $10.99 and they're now 50% off at Hobby Lobby. Another item that I got are these beautiful, look at those. Aren't those gorgeous? Love, love, love these. And these were $6.99, and then again, you're 50% off. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the pack because I wanna actually see one without it being in the package. So here we go. That is so pretty. I love that velvet. It's smooth. Super, super gorgeous. I love this. And these are 4 in the pack for $6.99. And then again, like I said, they have 50% off. I do believe I saw these in different colors. Can't remember. It wasn't too many varieties, but I think I saw it in maybe like a green color, and I can't remember if I saw it in the black. Don't take my word for it on that one, but go ahead and check them out if you're interested in these. But these are super cute. And then while I was there, I also picked up a couple of picks to kind of make bases and stuff for my wreaths and stuff that I'm working on. So let me go ahead and show you those as well. So the picks I got, guys, are nothing new. You've seen these before. And I have a lot of picks that I picked up from the warehouse sale, but needed some of these to work as like bases for my wreaths. So I got a few of these. I think I got me maybe 10 to 12 of those. I got it in gold, and I also got a bunch of them in this color. It looks very white, but it's more kind of like it can go between like a white and a silver, but really very pretty. And with you know, the season changing, I'm gonna start working. I've already worked on some wreaths for the fall that I'm selling. I'm going to be working on some ones for Christmas as well. And then I got me some of these. I picked some of these up last year, and they look so pretty on my tree that when I saw them this year, I decided to pick them up again because these go really, really quickly. I also got them in this kind of like brown bronze color look. These go by pretty quickly from Hobby Lobby. They have them in this bronze color or this brown color. They have them in the black as you see here, and they have them in gold. And these, like I say, they go pretty fast. So if you're interested in these, go ahead and pick them up. All of these picks that I'm looking at here, they are $2.99 each and then 50% off. So you're paying like $1.50, $1.49 for them. But I know sometimes it looks like it's too early to get all these things, but if you don't get the things that you like, they are going to be gone by the time you decide, oh, I'm gonna go ahead and get those brown picks, or I'm gonna go ahead and get those ornaments. They will be gone because people are waiting for these things to go on sale in Hobby Lobby so they can go and pick them up. The very first day, which was last Monday when their items went on sale, I was in there looking around, and there were people in there shopping for Christmas items, for the things that they know will go first. And a lot of those items are like the velvet ornaments and the picks and stuff. And yeah, people will come in and they don't care. They are like filling their carts just so that they don't lose out. So I kind of took a little page out of their book this year and got me the jewel ornaments because I love them, and this is my first time seeing them and gotten them before they sold out. On the door here, are wreaths that I just worked on. So there's one on this door and there's one on this door here. I'm gonna bring them over and show you what they look like. These are 2 fall wreaths that I just finished working on. Let me show you what they look like. Alrighty, so this is the first one. Hopefully I can get it in the shot. They are big, guys. Whoop. They are huge. They are like almost as tall as I am. So this is the first one. Super gorge. I love this. I love the ribbons. These are ribbons that I got from the Christmas sale, from the warehouse sale. And a lot of the picks and stuff came from there as well. So that's this first one, and let me show you what the other one looks like. And this is the second one. Again, these are huge. But I love them. You see those ribbons? Yes, the Christmas warehouse sale. Let me step back a bit. All right, so these are the wreaths I've worked on last weekend, and these are for sale. And before I forget, guys, let me go ahead and show you the ribbons that I got from Goodwill. All right, guys, so I gave you a quick little sneak peek while I was in Goodwill of the ribbons I got. I actually got 23 rolls of ribbons for around, it's around 50 bucks by the time we got done. But let me show you some of them. I know I showed you some before, but I got like this one. I got me, there were 2 of these. There were also 2 of these ones. 2 of this one as well. And this is so pretty. Love it, love it, love it. And y'all know how I feel about this one. This one is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to use this one, guys. So pretty. I don't know what happened or who dropped these off at Goodwill, but whoever dropped them off at Goodwill, thank you very much. I got one of these. And I don't know if I told you. I remember the video when I first got the items, there was only one of this, but when the assistant manager came back out the second time, she had another roll, so I ended up getting 2 of these. I am so glad. I got this one. There's only one of this, and then there is one with like a smaller print. So you could say I got 2 of those. I got one of this. I got one of these. So this is the bigger one to this one. Different stripes, vertical, horizontal. I showed you this one in there that I absolutely love it. This one is gorgeous. They only had one of this, but it's super pretty. I got me this one. There were 2 of these as well. What else? And then I got me 2 of this one. Then I got me this pink one. And I got 2 of these ones as well. Very pretty. And then I got a random, actually this one, there are 3 of these. And then I got a random gray one. Very pretty design on that. So yeah, guys, these are the things that I got. Oh, I'm forgetting this one. I think I may do something in my grandson's room using this one because it's more, you know, fun and playful. But yeah, very happy with my finds. It's like the Lord has blessed me with all these beautiful ribbons. There are actually 3 of these. And listen, based on the work that I have to do and the things that I'm trying to accomplish, I need these ribbons. So God made a way for me to get them. Thank you, Lord, for always looking out for me. All right. So yeah, so that's my haul, guys. Not a very big haul this time, but I still wanted to show you all the things that I got. You know, I'm going to share everything with you. And now I know you noticed that you're getting more frequent videos from me is because I now have the time. I now have the time. And the reason I'm stressing that is because I'm gonna bring you a video. I like a chit chat video, and I'm gonna explain to you why I have this time now that I'm able to really get into what I wanna do and share it with you also. All right, so make sure you stay tuned for that. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough and the mini haul that I just showed you. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video, and I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family, guys. It is real simple. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below, and make sure you hit the notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel about you. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.